Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this French cooking term, French cuisine term, designating amuse-gueules or single bite-sized hors d'oeuvre. How do you go about pronouncing this? In French, in France, we would say it as mise en bouche, mise en bouche, but it'd be fine in English to say it as mise en bouche or amuse-bouche, from French, mise en bouche. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more French cooking terms, those delicious dishes whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.